What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So Bitcoin and Ethereum has been crashing, not crashing the market, but crashing to the downside. And if you have watched my previous video, two videos about Bitcoin and Ethereum target, previously for Bitcoin it was 20k, and I think today we have hit the 20k or the sub 21k level for Bitcoin. So what will be the next target? As what you can see on the title of the video, the next target will be around 18k sub or 19k sub. And for Ethereum, I will show you the chart. So I hope you have enjoy your weekend, guys. We have our new video format. We have all our sponsors on the upper right corner of the screen, and let's check what is going on with the overall crypto market and what should we expect in the coming three days. The coming 3 days will be very much critical, not only for crypto but for the traditional market, and also this will be the most volatile days and weeks of your life. So be ready, guys, be ready. As what you can see, some of the price action today. So from Ethereum we have seen a lot of candle wicks, but if you have been in the space for a long time, this is normal. But this week will be a little bit volatile for the entire market, not only in traditional stock market but especially in crypto, because in stocks usually the move is around 5 to 10%, but in crypto, guys, the move is not 5 to 10% but up to 50%. So be ready. Bitcoin is back to 20,000 as expected. If you have watched the previous video, 20,000 target, and later I'm going to show you some of the trades some of my trades, and I will update you with my upcoming targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum back to 1,300, down by 11%. It was fast going up. Also, it was fast going down. USDT still at 65 billion market cap. USDC still at 55, following USDT. BNB trading at 242, down by 9%. And this is normal in crypto, guys. Welcome to our viewers Mystery History. How's it going? Mr. Subin, welcome to the live stream. ECD 187, smash the likes. We have Andres Jaworski. Hello, I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. What's going on with the market? Bullish or bearish? What do you think? We have a lot of red today. Mirage SMJ, welcome to the live stream. Hurricane, how are you, man? Please, about how much down, when I will buy. Well, we'll see how much will be the target for Bitcoin, and where could we possibly buy for long term. Da Vinci, our VIPs are watching right now. Ethereum trading right now at 1,379. All right, XRP is down by 11%. Cardano also down by 10%. So as what you can see, Cardano, the Vassal hard fork upgrade didn't really do much for the price of Cardano, down by almost 11% today. Solana down by 25. My goodness. I think this is one of the biggest in the list right now. 25% in the past 7 days. Dogecoin down by 12%, followed by Polkadot down by 17%, back to $6.6. Tron down by 7%. Polygon Matic, one of the strong movers, one of the strong movers as well to the downside, 20%. Shiba Inu is down. AVAX is down 22%. We have Leo down by 4%. Uniswap is down by 15%. And Litecoin still at number 20, down by 10%. Crypto bubbles all red. And I think, as what you can see, most of the sizes of the bubbles right now are almost equal. No movement at all. No movement. Let's try to move them. So no movement, guys. They are waiting for the announcement of rate hikes. So that will happen tomorrow. Be ready. Fear and greed index going back to the previous level. Now currently at 26, still in the fear zone level. And let's check 15-minute time frame. CoinGlass, I'm using CoinGlass to check long and short ratio here. Mostly on longs in the 15-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, almost the same. 5 minutes, we have... Oh, we still have a lot of longs. 1,380 is the current price of Polkadot, and we have a lot of longs in the market. We have Binance, OKX, BITGET at the top 3 here. Mostly lower time frame, 5-minute time frame, mostly in long position. Even in 1 hour, mostly long position right now. 50-50 in 4-hour time frame. Let's check Ethereum. 50-50. I think some CoinX and Deribit are mostly on long. We have a lot of shorts in the lower time frame And in the 5-minute time frame, we have Deribit 91% short and BitFinex 98% long. In the 1-hour time frame, however, we have still longs are dominating. So most of the traders are still expecting a bounce from the current level, which is around 1380, or that will be around the support zone. Later I'm going to show you my chart. So here's Bitcoin. Let me open Ethereum. Before we proceed with the chart, guys, let me read some news and some of the trades that we did today. So Ethereum, where is my other chart? So right now, Ethereum is just hovering on the support level, guys. This will be the traffic area before deciding where it will go. So this will be traffic area. It's either will bounce back up or bounce to the previous breakout and retest of support, possible retest of support at around 1280. So let's check one of the news here. This was July 25. Ethereum bearish U-turn. Ethereum price momentum fades after 1.6 rejection. If you have seen my tweet last time, guys, the volume of Ethereum is going down while the price is going up. We have everywhere we have bearish divergence in all the charts of Ethereum. So that is why we have seen a rejection at 1,650 something. Ethereum native token ETH tumbled on July 26, reducing hopes of extended price recovery. The Ethereum USD pair dropped by roughly 5%, followed by a modest rebound to 1,550. This was yesterday, guys. Ethereum, this was today morning. July 25. Tumbled July 26. Why the date here is July 26 and here is July 25? Followed by a Ethereum gets rejected at 1,650. My number is correct so far. This overnight moves liquidated over 80 million worth of Ether position in the last 24 hours. Data from CoinGlass reveals. So let's check here in CoinGlass again the amount of liquidations. So we have Ethereum, guys, $9.6 million liquidated. Bitcoin, 4.91. Total liquidation for Bitcoin in the past 24 hours is 59 million, and for Ethereum, $115 million liquidated. Huge numbers, guys, huge numbers. That is why always manage your risk. And by the way, all the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Chill trader, did you sell any of your 3-digit ETH or are you holding? I will show you later my position. The seesaw action also revealed an underlying bias conflict among traders who have been stuck between two extremely opposite market fundamentals. So right now, most of the traders are actually stuck with the overall market status, and also the Ethereum merge is causing the pump while we are in the most bearish fundamental, and also all the charts are pointing to the downside, but Ethereum continues to move up until $1,650. The first is the euphoria surrounding Ethereum potential transition to proof of stake in September, which has helped Ether price to recover 45%. So most of the because the reason why Ethereum pumped, guys, is because of the transition from proof of work to proof of stake. So now you need Ethereum. You need to stake your Ethereum in order for you to mine Ethereum, guys. So the price was actually affected by the number of buyers for the transition to proof of stake. However, this bullish hype is at odds with macroeconomic headwinds, namely the Federal Reserve and the European Bank hawkish stance, which put pressure on risk assets. So saw Ether shed 68% from its record 4,950 to the date, but the short term could provide some upside for Ether price. So this was the chart yesterday. I've shared also the chart, this chart on my Twitter. And yesterday, Ethereum was poking the support and eventually break down. And that's the time we saw a big red candle to the downside. And I have tweeted as well for Bitcoin, even before it dropped. I have tweeted like 5 hours ahead of time that we might revisit sub 21,000. Ether to undergo an interim upside retracement based on the token recent swings. So this was yesterday. We are already trading at around 1,300 right now. So this chart is still trading at 1,500. We have already dropped. And I have shared also some bearish divergence for Ethereum on my Twitter account. And also, let's check this one, guys, just very quick. 3 signs Bitcoin price is forming a potential macro bottom. So what do you think? Do you think we have hit the bottom already, or we are still going to revisit the previous low? Let me know, guys, in the chat or in the comment section down below. Bitcoin upside prospects are supported by at least 3 on-chain technical metrics, but is the bottom in? Bitcoin could be in the process of bottoming after 25% based on several market signal. I am still going to stick with my plan, guys. I have already posted the bottom target since 2021, early 2021, December. I have already my target, and since January 2022, I have already locked in the target for 20,000 Bitcoin, and my bottom and the date remains the same until proven wrong. Bitcoin price has rallied roughly, and you know that in the previous crash, I have exactly predicted, and I have went all in at 30,000 and went all the way up to 65, sold most of my holdings at 65, 50% remaining sold at 45,000, and right now I am stacking Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the altcoin on the lower level. So I'm sharing this with you, not a financial advice, so that when after some years we can talk about that. I have discussed this. I have discussed this several times that I'm already stacking on this level. I think this will be the possible bottom. I have discussed in my previous video. I've shared on my Twitter account what will be the my possible price prediction for Bitcoin and possible date, bottom price date for Bitcoin. BTC price has rallied roughly 25% after dropping to around 17,000 on June 18. The upside, and currently, guys, my average price for Bitcoin, I still have a lot of USDT, or I remain liquid. There will be another revisit to the previous low. and that's the time I will stack more. Right now, my average is at 18.5 or $18,500 for Bitcoin, Ethereum around $1,000. The upside retracement came, and my Matic, I've sold all my Matic on top of this relief rally. I'm going to reinvest or bought it back when we revisit the previous low, and I will post it on Twitter. The upside retrace came after 75% correction when measured from November 2021 high of 69,000. That's big oversold bounce, all right? All right, so enough of the news. Let's jump into some of my trades and some of the VIP calls, and we'll check the chart, and I'll check some of the comments and requests before we end the stream. So guys, here are some of the previous trade in BitGet. If you want to copy my trades, you can use this link, and you can register and download the app, and you can copy my trade. You can search my name, Chill Trader. You can find it. You can find me under copy trades, and we'll go from there. Also, guys, if you want to copy trade, be careful and make sure you know how to do the proper setting and proper position sizing on every trade to avoid liquidations. So that's for BitGet copy trade, and this is one of the VIP call. Long position for Filecoin. This have reached the I don't know what's the current price right now, but I have posted this chart when Filecoin was just hovering at around $5.54, and the target was this one here, $5, and today Filecoin have dropped to this support or to this long position and bounce back up to 5%. So that is a quick bounce trade for Filecoin. And also we have this VIP or Bitcoin VIP call last July 21, exactly 5 days ago. So what you can see, July 21, 2022, Bitcoin medium trade, manage risk and margin, short position at 23,300, 22,900 to $23,300, stop loss 24,000. We have our TP zone at 22.7, 22.5, 22,000, 21,800, 21,500. All targets have been hit except for the moonshot. So we have here, we have our TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 hit at 800%, TP4 at 1,000%. TP5 at 1,200%. So right now we are waiting for the moonshot at $20,200. Not a financial advice. So let's check Bitcoin right now. So this was the previous chart that I've shared here on this channel. I have exactly showed you this bear flag here. And at around this price, I have already started shorting Bitcoin, because that's what you can see in the previous level. Bull or bear flag usually drop not on the bottom. The decision, the last pump will be the best entry point for a bear flag. So for this one, we have the price of Bitcoin hovering here on this uptrend parallel channel. And for the bear flag, usually the last pump here will be the entry point for short position. So this was exactly, I have discussed this, I have shown this candle here in my previous video. This was an evening star. Another evening star here, which signals the reversal. So my entry point is at 23,000. What's my here? So my entry point, here are some of my trades. My entry point for Bitcoin, where is my Bitcoin trade? So my entry point for Bitcoin is at 23,541, exactly on top of the of this evening candle, evening star candle, which signals the reversal for Bitcoin. And I've exactly discussed this several times on this channel that Bitcoin might revisit this previous support trend line just in case if Bitcoin break the level to maintain bullish momentum at around $21,800. And also this is in confluence, this point right here at, let me open my EMAs. This point right here, this EMA acted as resistance as well. 50-day EMA acted as resistance. This is also in confluence with the weekly 200 moving average. So if I'm going to plot the weekly 200 moving average, this was exactly the level, guys. Bitcoin was rejected from this level. And as what I've discussed in the previous stream, I've explained why this level here is very important for Bitcoin. Let me just increase the size. All right, we'll make this red there. So Bitcoin was actually rejected from the 200 weekly moving average, and I've discussed this in the previous stream. I told you to watch out for the weekly candle close. This will signal the next direction for Bitcoin. If the weekly candle close above this 200 weekly moving average, we might see a move to the upside up to 30,000. But if the weekly candle will close below this 200 weekly moving average, we might revisit the support trend line. Right now we have a weekly support at $20,500, and the next support that I'm looking at will be the support trend line. Just in case, if we break below, the next target in the daily time frame will be $18,900. So let me just show you very quickly. It's not available here, so never mind. But I've explained it previously using Bitstamp chart, guys. Here, this was the 200-day weekly moving average for Bitcoin, and this have served as a launch pad for the bull market and the bottom for the bear market. So 2017 Bitcoin have dropped to 200 weekly moving average, bounce, confirm this as a support, bounce back up. 2017 bear market, Bitcoin have dropped and revisited the 200 weekly moving average, bounce back up, revisited, bounce back up to 2021. Right now, we are trading below. So, one confirmation that we might start the next bull market if Bitcoin price breaks above the 200 weekly moving average, retest as a support, and then we might see the next cycle for Bitcoin, and we might see the next bull market. But right now we are still trading below the weekly 200 weekly moving average, so we might revisit the previous low for now before bouncing back up. Right, so that's for Bitcoin, guys. Let me show you the daily time frame and the levels that you need to watch out. We have also Bitcoin CME. We have the last gap here at around $18,000, last gap that we need to fill. And if you have been following me on this channel, when Bitcoin was just hovering at around 47,000, I have already spotted this future CME gap here that we might revisit. And we have already closed this gap here, and another gap here that we might revisit, already closed the gap. And the last gap that we might revisit before bouncing back up, you know, my bottom target for Bitcoin in the previous, I have one video, you need to check it out, possible bottom price for Bitcoin, where I have explained the possible bottom price and my possible bottom target and the date for that possible bottom price for Bitcoin is mentioned on that video. So for Bitcoin, guys, here are the levels that you need to watch out. Right now, bullish momentum already invalidated. We are trading below this level, which was the previous breakout point for the sideways channel. And right now we are trading below this. So this is going to be a bearish scenario for Bitcoin. Right now, we have one support level here at $20,800, still holding. But the next support that I'm looking at right now for Bitcoin will be the support trend line. And just in case, guys, let me just delete all of this first. I'll show you a very clear picture. So previously we have a sideways channel. We have one drop, bounce back up, drop, breakout. This have hit the bear flag channel and the 200 weekly moving average in confluence with the 50-day exponential moving average, and we have Bitcoin price have been rejected on this level, and right now we are back to this sideways channel. So possible next target will be $18,969. All right, so this will be the next possible target for Bitcoin. But before that, before Bitcoin hit the target, we have one support level here, this support trend line. So this will be around 20,000, roughly $20,200, the first support. But if we break below this, expect a revisit to the previous low, which is around $18,969 for Bitcoin, right? So that is why, guys, you need to focus. Because just in the last week, I have seen just enormous amount of tweets talking about that we have hit the bottom. We are going to new all-time high. We are going to $48,000. We are going back to this certain level. But based on the technical analysis, maximum bounce for that relief rally will be 30,000. That is the previous support level, strong support level for the entire 2021. This was the level here. So strongest support for entire 2021. This will serve as a strong resistance for Bitcoin. So before we even move our target, I don't expect Bitcoin to break $30,000 in just one shot. So it will take like 2 to 3 tests before breaking this level. But right now, Bitcoin needs to break the 200 weekly moving average. All right, so let's move on to Ethereum. Where is, I forgot. I need to share my chart. One sec. Daily time frame. Let me share this chart to the VIPs. Rebecca, I could be wrong, but I think your BTC 1000 is a bit off. We will see. We will see this target, and we will know in the coming days. So far, all the targets have been accurate so far since January, since last year, since 2017. Most of the targets has been accurate. So for this one, next target will be 18,961 to be exact, just in case we break below this support. And currently, I'm still holding my short position at 23,541, which is exactly at the tip of this candle right here. $23,500. My short position is exactly on the tip of this candle on top. So just in case if we drop, I have already taken 50% of the profit. I have adjusted my stop loss back to entry. There's no way that I'm gonna lose on this trade. 100% my profit is already secure. And I'm gonna show you some. I have as well, I'm holding Bitcoin. I have Polkadot shorted at 7.9, exactly the top. I have Polygon Matic at 0.9, almost on the top. I have sold my Polygon Matic on my spot position. I have also Ethereum shorted at $1,654. So let's check Ethereum, guys. So my short position was this red line here. So this was my short entry for Ethereum, 1,654 short position entry for Ethereum. This was it. I shorted Ethereum at the tip of the candle. So it's been accurate so far. And right now we have some support level here for Ethereum. I'm expecting Ethereum to hover or consolidate or expect some traffic at around this area. We might get some bounce. 4-hour time frame, stochastic RSI in the oversold area, ready to bounce. You're going to check the 1-hour time frame. Ethereum is already approaching the overbought area. So if Ethereum is still on this level and this RSI reach 100 or around 99 level or overbought area, we might see a drop to this level, 1,335. And if you have watched my previous video, target for this retest is $1,280. This will be the first target. We might get a bounce, small bounce, but again, we have another, this support will turn into a resistance just in case Ethereum drop and revisit this level at $1,270. So possible price action for Ethereum will hover here, but eventually I think it will drop and revisit the previous support trend line at around $1,250. That will be the next target for Ethereum. Previous support trend line. Are you expecting a bounce before 20,200? If you're right, it might be pushed by 7478. For Bitcoin, guys, I told you in the that's what I've discussed in the VIP. I have several announcement in the past days in the VIP. Especially, we are expecting this 3 days will be very volatile. So let me show you some of the announcement. Watch out for BTC and Ethereum key level support. Daily candle close will confirm the direction. So as what you can see in the chart here, we have Ethereum have broke down below the key level support or level to maintain bullish momentum. Bitcoin is already trading below 21,800. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop even lower, revisit this support at 20,200. We might get a small bounce along the way. 3% bounce, but overall we are still in an overall downtrend. Next target will be the support trend line, and just in case we break down below the support trend line, next target will be $18,978 for Bitcoin. And we have upcoming news in the coming days, guys. Watch out. Also, this is another announcement yesterday. Don't long for now. Very risky. In the next 3 days, only quick longs. No long position, no holding of long position, not a financial advice, but we are right now in an overall downtrend. We might get a small bounce, but overall, stock market is down. We are expecting Fed rate hikes. We are expecting the reports here, quarterly report. So we have 26 FOMC meeting, Microsoft and Google earning report. 27 July 27, that will be tomorrow, Meta earning. And you know, Facebook has been down. Most of their they're cutting on their hiring right now, and they are removing some staff. Their earning has been down. So overall, guys, stock market is going down. Bitcoin and most of the crypto market will follow the traditional stock. On 28, we have US Q2 GDP release and Apple earnings. I don't know what's the expected earning report for Apple, but Tesla have reported actually gain for their Bitcoin. So they have sold their Bitcoin and it's actually in gain, not in loss. So the coming 3 days will be volatile for both long and short position. I have posted some trades yesterday, all short position. We have some risky long, but mostly shorts. Take partial profit in TP1 and 2, adjust stop loss to entry. Not a financial advice. Those are some of the VIP calls. So back to Ethereum, guys. So again, Ethereum, I'm expecting a small bounce or consolidation at around this area, 1333 up to 1378 or $1380 before revisiting the previous breakout point or the previous resistance. Let's check if Ethereum will be able to turn this into a support. If Ethereum will manage to hold this as a support, so we might expect a small rebound from $180. But if not, next target will be $1,150 for Ethereum. Let me show you the daily time frame. Let's have some we have some something going on outside. So for Ethereum, guys, where is my chart? My goodness, where's my chart? Here. So for Ethereum, daily time frame, same chart. Key level support, breakout point. So right now we are trading below the key level support. I'm expecting Ethereum to revisit 1334. We might get a small bounce from here, but eventually this will be the key level support that I'm watching at around $1,240 to $1,270 for Ethereum. We might get a small bounce from this area if this manages to hold. This was the previous resistance, and currently Ethereum is on the process of retesting this as a support. If this manages to hold as a support, we might get a bounce back to the $1,470. But if not, then possible revisit of the support trend line at around 1057. If you're going to look at the stochastic RSI in the daily time frame, this is going down, looking bearish, so expecting a further move to the downside until we reach the oversold area before getting a bounce for Ethereum. Let's check the 4-hour time frame RSI. 4-hour time frame RSI in the oversold area, we might get a small bounce at around 1337, and in the 1-hour time frame, similar to Bitcoin, if Ethereum is still trading on the same level and the RSI reach the overbought area, we might see a further drop to the downside at 1337 before getting a small bounce to the upside, and then continue to drop to 1270 to 1250 level. That's for Ethereum. So let me share the daily time frame for Ethereum. $1,376 current price. All right, still flashing red. Don't catch falling knives, guys. Ethereum chart update. Ethereum ETH daily time frame update. Bitcoin, I have shared so one sec. Bounce from 1337 up to what? So if you're going to check the lower time frame right now, this is the daily time frame. This will be the same support. If you're going to check the lower time frame, in the daily time frame, 1334, 1337 will be the first support area. But if you want to have a safer entry, if you want to have a safer long entry, I would bet to wait for $1,250. But if you're excited and if you want to go on a quick long, the target for the bounce from this 1337 ish level will be here. Very small bounce. $1,335, 2%. Also, this is right now holding as a support. So possible bounce until here. So 2 to 5% maximum. 2 to 5% until 1412. If we get a bounce, if this manages to hold as a support. All right, so that's for Ethereum. The amount, this question is for $1 million. Which date are you expecting market will start to pump? Which date? You need to check my previous video. And I have tweeted the date since January. Early this year. I think I've already discussed it even last year. Before the crash, November, I have already my target bottom, and my target date for the bottom and the possible bounce. I have bookmarked it on my Twitter account, and I have made a video about possible bottom for Bitcoin. Check it out. Right, guys, so I think that's it for now. Thanks for joining me today. It's already 10:36 on my end. All right. So that's for Ethereum and Bitcoin, guys. In the next 3 days, be careful. We have some of the events happening. Where is that? Where is the event? Here. Oh, not this one. So, tomorrow, FOMC or Fed rate hike announcement. Expecting 100 BPS mostly. Report is saying 75. Others are expecting 100 to 125. So here are the important dates that we need to watch out. July 26, FOMC meeting. Microsoft and Google earnings today. July 27, we have Fed rate hikes announcement and Meta earning. That's Facebook. July 28, we have US Q2 GDP release and Apple earning. So this coming 2 days will be very volatile. So be careful with your trades, manage risk always, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.